friends, my name is Resistor. I study in class 4B. I have made these two diyas, one of yellow LED and one of transparent LED. These diyas don't work on traditional things like oil and heat. These diyas work on water. Material required for these diyas are 9-volt battery, transparent or yellow LEDs, 1 kilo ohms resistor, a cap, some wires, sleeve, Diya and Resistor. Now I will show you practical demo of these Diya. I will pour in the water in both the Diyas. See, the yellow LED Diya has blown. See, the second Diya is also blown. I have emptied the water and I will refill it. See, the light is blown this time also. The circuit diagram of these diyas are I have applied 9-volt battery supply, and the positive wire of battery is in water and the negative wire of the battery is connected to resistor, 1 kilo ohms resistor, and the resistor's negative is connected to the LED's negative, and the LED's positive is in water. So the water is shorting these two wires and the light is blown.